How to add a Lexmark printer to a computer. Step 1. Unpack and power on plug in the printer and press the power button. Load paper and install ink or toner if needed. USB connection. Set up Windows. Connect the USB cable from printer to your PC. Windows should automatically detect and install drivers. If not, go to Lexmark support and search your printer model. Download and install the latest Windows driver. Mac connect via USB. Go to System Settings. Printers and scanners. Click the plus button to add the printer. Select your Lexmark printer and click Add. Wireless, Wi-Fi, setup. Step 1. Connect printer to Wi-Fi. On the printer control panel, go to Network at Wireless Settings. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Print a network configuration page to verify the connection. Tip: if no screen is available, use Lexmark Wireless Setup utility from the support site. Step 2. Install drivers and add the printer windows. Download the Lexmark printer driver from Lexmark support. Run the installer and choose Wireless Setup. The installer will detect the printer on the network and complete setup. Mac, go to System Settings. Printers and scanners. Click plus to add a printer. Your Lexmark printer should appear under Nearby Printers. Select it and click Add. Troubleshooting tips. If the printer doesn't show up, restart your printer, router, and computer. Ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. For advanced setup, use the Lexmark Printer Home or Lexmark Mobile Assistant app. For more updates, subscribe our channel, The Printer Zone.